Hi friends, welcome back to day number 36 of our 60 days live trading campaign. Our journey which has started almost 1 month back, 1.5 month back, going very smoothly with ups and downs. Yes, I agree there was a situation when there was ups and downs, but now it is smooth and we are back into profits. The journey is very comfortable now. But the most important challenge is when it has ups and downs, how do we control our emotions? That is what you all have to learn. The quote for today is mistakes are proof that you are trying. Okay, so first of all, be happy that in case if you're doing any mistakes, the mistakes are happening because you're trying. There are many people, those who are not even touching, those who are not even trying, just having excuses. Okay, so before going forward, just want to give an update about my options trading tactics. It's a 5-part course where you will be getting trained for 6 months in option adjustments, and please don't ask me which strategy I'm teaching, because strategy is not at all important to make money in stock market or in options. You will get thousands of strategies available on YouTube. What we are going to learn, concentrate more in this 6 months is yes, I agree there will be a strategy, but most important part will be the adjustments and how do we implement it, and you'll be practiced continuously for 6 months. So that is all about this options trading tactics. And let us go to today's live trading video. The stock which we traded today was Yesbank, and Yesbank was giving a very clear indication of a trend. You all know that Yesbank has been a favorite stock for most of the time. Most of the time we have made a lot of money in Yesbank, and the target is 1.7 and the loss we are going to take only 1 rupee. So accordingly the quantity is going to be 1000 quantity. Okay, so that a round figure quantity will be more better. And in the same way, once we kept the buy order, let us keep the sell order as well, because you know that we don't predict the market direction, we just trade whatever the market give us. So the same target and stop loss is kept. Okay, I'll just show you. So this is what we have to do, nothing else. Just place both the orders, buy and the sell orders, and then nothing else should be done. And end of the day, just look into the screen, and we had a profit of 1700. That is because we kept target of 1.7. It doesn't matter, but without wasting much time, as always, something which inspires us, we have to enter into our Excel sheet so that we keep a track of all what is happening. And you can see that plus and minus, our journey is continuing, but the best part is whenever there is loss, we are making only a loss of 1000 rupees, but whenever we are making profit, we are making a profit of 1700. This is the technique, this is the method which we have to implement, which all of you all have to learn and implement. Nothing else is required in stock market. Okay friends, so last but not the least, the platform which I use for trading today is Upstock. So in case if you want to join Upstock, use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. So what are open trades? Trades which I trade, I immediately send by WhatsApp. So in case if you want to avail the discount, you can just use the link which I provided in the description of this video and avail 50% discount. Any other doubts, any confusion, any point of time, if you're feeling uneasy, uncomfortable, or any doubts with the strategy or implementing it, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.